What's up, everybody? Jonathan here, rallysportdirect.com. Want to introduce to you all our brand new 2005 WRX. This is going to be the latest build on our channel. It's going to be for David. Well, before David rudely interrupted me, as I was saying, this car is going to be our newest build. It's going to be a rallycross build. We're going to learn how to do some rallycross. We're going to learn how to do a rallycross build. We're going to do rallycross things.
All right, hey guys, David here. I'd like to introduce you to my 2025 FL5 in Boost Blue. So obviously we have two new cars to introduce here. Both blue, both stick shift, both turbo, one front wheel drive, one all-wheel drive. Really excited to introduce this. So a few cool things about it are we got the awesome brakes, we got auto rev matching, R mode. Kind of excited about the things that this car comes with from the factory. Beautiful paint job, beautiful body styling. The interior, we got the bucket seats from the factory. We got Apple CarPlay wireless, which for the first time in my life I've had, and I absolutely love it. However, it's quiet. I think it looks beautiful from every angle, but I can't hear myself driving. I don't like the simulated exhaust noise in the cab. I think that's lame. We got to fix that. I think this is going to be something fun to add to our channel. Some fun new parts to carry, and I'm really excited to start this build with you guys. I think it's going to be awesome.
All right, so this is our 05 Blobeye. We bought this car to get into rallycross. I'm super excited to get into this. It's going to be really fun. It's going to be a really cool build, so let's check it out. The paint, relatively decent. We got like some oxidation right here on the roof, which isn't surprising. It is an old car. It's 25 years old. A little bit of rust here and there. We are in California, so the previous owner did live pretty close to the coast. But for the most part, it has its little dings and dents here, but nothing major. It's gonna be a rallycross build, man. It doesn't have to be pretty. It's gonna serve its purpose. We'll build it to be reliable. We're not gonna chase any huge horsepower gains. We'll talk about like what kind of different modifications you should do to your car if you want to get into rallycross. It's going to be a learning process for the both of us. Both of us being me and you guys, the viewers at home. So one of the reasons why we decided to pick this car out of like the millions that we sift through on Facebook Marketplace is that the previous owner had extensive receipts for maintenance. This guy spent tons of money on making sure that this thing stays alive. So the motor has been recently rebuilt. Got this huge turbo right here, nice and shiny. And if y'all didn't know, I'm trolling y'all. Engine's been rebuilt. It's actually really clean on here. So which leads us to believe that those receipts and paperwork wasn't just, you know, fabricated, wasn't a sham. To my understanding, it does have a misfire. I think one thing that's going to be extremely important for this particular build is a really loud, obnoxious blow-off valve.
Guys, no blow-off valves, please. Stop on your Subaru.
All right, man. Let's talk about the inside of this thing. Whoa. Is it supposed to do that? Honestly, these seats aren't bad. I mean, obviously you could use a detail, but like, I like the stock seats. They're pretty clean. And you got all these gauges, bro. So what the hell is all of this, bro? Because there's like so many different numbers on the screen. Like,
dude, we got water temp, oil pressure, boost, data logging that you can do.
Yeah.
So I won't get on it until it gets warmed up all the way, but I didn't think I'd fall in love with a car like I did my Evo ever again. And I'll probably never be able to afford another Evo, but I fell in love with this car. I really love this thing.
Honda, man, it's the power of the dreams.
Yeah, and it's reliable.
Hell yeah.
Like, this is the perfect daily. My kids love it. The wife loves it.
Is this suede?
Yeah.
Does this still have butt warmers?
No.
Yeah, who needs butt warmers anyway if it's a race car?
If you buy the Acura, the DE5, that you can get heated and cooled seats and all that stuff. I didn't want the Acura, I like the Honda.
Yeah.
I love the auto rev match.
So you literally just push the clutch in. Ooh, wee.
Yeah,
drop a gear.
Put it into a gear lower.
Okay.
It just matches the revs for you. But you can turn it off. So if you like, which was really hard for me to get used to, getting in this car and letting it do it for me. I kept going to blip the throttle myself.
Yeah.
Now I'm used to it, but you can turn it off. So for those of you that don't like that feature, you can turn it off. Super smooth, it's not too bouncy, the seats hug you, and that's always been a problem for me. I'm a really small, skinny dude, so to have a car with a seat that holds me in, even other bolstered seats, I'm still too small to really feel them, but this is comfortable. I want to get my suspension dialed in. I'm not going to go crazy with this engine build. I'm 35 years old, I don't go on the track, I just want a fun daily driver, and honestly it's that out of the box.
Right.
I just want to be able to hear it and have a little bit of fun.
So what we're hearing right now is the actual exhaust, not the fake exhaust noises that come out.
No, I think we're hearing the fake exhaust, dude.
This is literally really?
Yeah.
Hey, for a fake exhaust, it kind of sounds pretty sick.
We're gonna change that. We're gonna change that.
Which is kind of a controversial statement for me to say.
I was online and someone brought up a really good point of why they like it. And they have exhaust. Their car, they track their car. But what they said was when you're in your car and you have a helmet on, it was hard to hear what RPM their car was at. So they liked the fake exhaust because that helped them while at the track.
Oh, interesting. So like in comfort mode, man, like how is that driving around?
The steering feels like it's a little lighter.
Okay.
Like when you're in R mode in sport, the steering tightens up quite a bit. The suspension's pretty stiff. It doesn't feel as aggressive.
Okay.
So this is, on the way to work in the morning, this is what I want to be in on the highway. Especially if I have to go through San Francisco, all those bumps on 19th or if I'm downtown. I was in San Francisco the other day and it did fine, even going up hills. So one thing I appreciate in this car, the brake hold works really well, and when you're on a hill, it holds it for you. My STI had that too, but it was so bad, I had to turn it off. Couldn't stand it. This car does a phenomenal job at that.
Really?
Most of the time you don't need that, but if you've ever driven those hills in San Francisco in a manual, that's probably the most terrifying situation I've ever been in.
I don't like the anti-rollback on the VB.
See, and on my VA it was horrible.
Really? Yeah, I don't know. Yeah.
I didn't like it. I'm just super excited to dive into this car to be able to have that close relationship with this.
Yeah, I'm excited to see where you take it, man. It's gonna be a fun build.
And those who know me, I like a nice daily driver. I'm not gonna go crazy, but it will be the perfect daily for me.
Super muddy out here, which should add an extra layer of fun and excitement, in my opinion. Might be super slippery, but that's okay. We like the mud. Getting ready to do our tech inspection, so hopefully the car passes. We just got this car maybe a month ago. I don't even know if we changed the oil on this thing. And when I say we, I mean David. I don't even know if David changed the oil on this thing or not. But it runs, it got us up here. It feels real healthy, which is good. The brakes are a little bit squishy, but I think we'll be okay. I think we're gonna have some fun today. We'll see what happens. So next up, tech inspection. After that, I guess we'll see. I don't know. I guess we get into the queue and start driving. And the car feels pretty healthy, so like I think we're gonna be okay. Earlier some folks was all like, oh man, I hope I don't go off track. Oh man, I hope I don't run over a car or a cone. I'm over here like, man, I just hope I don't blow up.
All right, you guys, thank you for tuning in and going for a ride in the FL5, checking out our new Blobeye. Really appreciate it. We're super excited to be able to bring a new platform for you guys to get some parts for and really dive into this. So as we go farther, there will be more available. We're excited to have fun with this and see what we do with this.
Yeah, definitely. Two different builds here, two different worlds. One's gonna be more, okay, it's not that pretty. We're gonna have some fun behind the wheel on this thing because we don't really have to worry about like dings and dents and whatnot. Other one is freaking beautiful, so we do got to be a little bit more careful with it. Two different perspectives, two different flavors for the builds, and it's gonna be exciting. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be good content. Follow along for more.